My name is Pam Yogfeld, and I'm the business manager at Nifty Home Products.
Nifty Home Products. I've seen it. They're pretty nifty,
They
right?
are.
Right.
Yes.
So you attended the Riddle of the Exporter today.
I did.
Tell me your favorite takeaway.
I think the best part, in my opinion, was how you took the 8 critical points and you tied them all together so succinctly and so easy to understand.
Great. So you would recommend going to the Riddle of the Exporter seminar?
Absolutely.
Well, I was glad to have you here today.
Thank
you
you.
so much.